Sweetie bun.
We dey go crew.
Friday we dey go club. This Friday after.
Hey.
No, not talk and make Pastor Yan not here.
No, we go talk am today. You know say we no go.
No, we go talk am today, and tomorrow, and on Thursday. Then on Friday.
We go just sit down.
On Friday, we go just tell and say we dey go somewhere. If Pastor Yan ask, we na go tell and say we dey go fellowship. Or night vigil. Because the night vigil now.
The night vigil.
Because the night vigil. And now we go.
According to Pastor Yan, we go paint the town red.
Anyway, we will not want to talk that topic when we talk about front of those children because they never reach 18 years old. We could not go spoil them. Now back to that topic. The matter now they say man dey for inside prison. He don't marry, in wife dey house. You understand? They don't sentence the guy to life imprisonment. The matter get to do with person when he say die. You understand? Now for the man now to come out from the prison, in wife
need to
go wipe one oga somewhere where go sign make they release the guy. Now, if now you be the man waiting for inside the prison, you go give your wife approval, make it go wipe the man, may they release you come out, or not. If you be the wife, you go wipe the man, think give us phone call now. Our phone number is on top of TV, make you begin to call us, make you know. Hello from Warri, good evening.
Hello.
Hello, wipist.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Hello, my brother, I beg. If now you, what you go do for this matter?
Nedu, good evening.
We don't answer you now.
Good evening, Nam.
Katim, that guy yesterday, and Wednesday they pray so. Hello, Katim. Hello?
Akpororo.
Akpororo, Wednesday they pray so. Chain not in leg, but you went normal, so you get chain for leg when they show your leg.
Who tell you say I normal?
Who tell you say Katim normal?
I tell you say I normal.
Hello?
See how you dey laugh.
I dey hear you.
Okay, hello, for this matter, what would they discuss? What do you go do? If you be the man, you go allow make your wife go wipe another person, make them for
you know, say a person where they talk truth, that they hate her.
Yes.
If not me,
yes,
I go allow my wife to wipe. Because one, if I'm robber come house, they feel rape your wife for your presence, what you go do? You understand? But this one a matter of life and death. If not me, put my wife go put us together, it go wipe. Because some people say carry their wife go Italy, dog they wipe them for their present.
My brother.
Hello, thank you.
My brother.
Bye.
Hey.
Good night. Anyway, our phone number is on top of TV. You begin to call us now, make we get your own information. Some people don't send Twitter message. Somebody from Warri, good. Rosie from Warri.
Hello?
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing?
I dey fine.
I beg for this matter, if now you be the man or the woman, what thing you go do?
I go do one. I will talk to my husband.
You go wipe, make your husband for come outside from prison, Abi?
Uncle.
Rosie, time. This is why you say before you dey happy as if say one for
I don't know.
I dey say Katim say I love her gun.
It dey sweet you.
Say Katim say I love her gun.
Gatti, they say they love your gown.
Damn you, sweet baby.
Stand up, show them your gown. Turn back, show them your gown.
I'm my easy beat.
Your easy beat today here.
Good evening,
Easy beat, don't become my easy beat.
Rosie, good evening. Thank you.
Anyway, thank you, Rose. Thank you, Rose. Anyway, our phone number is there on top of TV. Make you begin to call us, make we know what you get to talk on top of the matter.
Yeah, brother.
What happen?
I just the partner make I buy my can't give you now.
Hey, brother. Hey, you are too much.
Come down.
That's what.
You the pass. You buy one, can't give us.
I just pass me I buy one can't give you now. As I just the pass. You not good as a
my brother, take 5. You are too much.
What thing carry you go?
Hey, but that's a land issue.
See, you will come tomorrow, we'll talk on tomorrow. And you will come tomorrow, we'll talk on. No worry, the land matter, we'll talk on tomorrow.
No, what's it come in telephone number that time? You know, say that telephone number.
Oh, now your phone number, carry you come here. You want to drop phone number. If not for the drink, we'll drop your phone number.
No problem.
Drop them.
080 78 99 4494. 080 78 99 4494.
080.
Wait, make it call.
In case you want to call our Oga direct, the MDCU, make a 081 684 11976. May I call him again? 081 684 11976.
Okay, thank you. There they go. Good night, eh?
No, they do.
Hey, but that's your 3.5.
tomorrow. We go talk tomorrow. They go.
Nedu, you know one buy that land again.
Tomorrow you go come.
Collect money from Nedu before
Tomorrow. Somebody from Shomolu, good evening.
Yeah.
Hello, Nedu.
Good evening, my sister. How you doing?
I do fine now. Maka dey talk.
Oh, I'm a Kekwan.
I can't get him.
Nah, I pass here. If now you be this matter happen to, what do? You go green white.
Nedu first, before I answer that your question, I won't warn you. Okay. And my mama say make I warn you. Not they call him Kiru again because my name is Kiru. Look for another name. I think I'll beg you. That's so now. Why you gonna call him Kiru every time Kiru?
I don't know.
You don't get any other name for your mouth.
You know, Sabi, okay,
give me another name now. Give me another name.
May I give you another name?
Yes.
Name plenty now where you go use.
Anyway, come back to the name matter. For this topic, I beg, what you do?
Well, if not me, I don't go do more.
You go leave your husband, make it there for inside prison, die.
You say what?
You go leave your husband, make it die for inside prison because not life imprisonment.
He not go die. God go vindicate. If you don't commit the crime, God will vindicate him. But if you commit the crime,
Amaka,
not true now.
Amaka. So wait, in Agwabiati, you see mark my face, Amaka. So you mean say for the whole years we husband go there for prison, you go carry padlock. Lock everywhere.
Go throw the key to the padlock.
Amaka, boo, bye. Isiaka, good evening. Isiaka from Abuja, good evening, John.
Good evening.
How you doing, my brother, better person?
This fine.
I beg, for this matter we dey talk today, if now you be this man wey dey prison, you go allow make your wife go wipe another man, make them for release you?
If I happen to be a man and such case happen. Hello?
Yeah, we dey hear you.
If I happen to be a man and such thing happen, what I will ask my wife to do, she should be prayerful. Why me? I will also be prayerful.
Okay.
Because it's possible she will allow herself for this kind of condition and something will happen like that and nothing positive will
come out of it. But this
and
one.
At the end of the day, she will regret of taking that step. Me as well, I will regret the step.
Okay, but this one, I understand what you talk, but for this one, the person we want to release him, now just waiting you need be that. If you don't wipe the woman, they go release the man.
Okay.
If now you go agree, make your wife do the wiping.
You don't go.
Isiaka.
Isiaka don't go. No, Neru, you know say the problem when people, even Amaka went off, it be like say in the thing after they release the man, what thing go can happen?
You see, people know they understand something. Eh?
The man fit no, they don't leave that matter. Okay. You know say you be man, I be woman. Man fit use that thing, can yosh the woman later.
No, not be say if he's and can't judge the woman later. Okay, before we come to that part, easy bit if now you what you go do. If now you be the guy when he say they for inside the prison. Because if now me, I know what I go do. I know what I go do. How not do go from first time, we'll come back to you. How not do go, good evening, sir.
Nedu.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
How today?
Today, better.
You tired well, Abi? If now you are back for this matter, what do you go do?
Wipe him now.
You wipe him now.
May wipe him, Abi. When I know they talk true.
Thank you very much.
I know crew. I know they talk true.
No, but wait, Siam. You said they need to talk true. If the man now come to the prison for life as he did there now, tell me say another person will not be that man, not go wipe the woman. Tell me.
But not be under that circumstance.
No, but not true. Listen now. See, this is not two ways.
No, make easy talk first.
Oh, yeah, talk.
If not me, the truth within my mind, now I won't just talk so.
Okay.
If not me, I no go tell her, make she do am. Because number one, it go be like say, I won't use her to save myself. And that of which it is selfish for my own purpose.
Yes.
You understand? After all, not be she put me for that yawa in the first place. So like waiting that other caller talk, I go dey prayerful, make she dey prayerful. Because what if at the end of the day, she can't sleep with the man? And the man can talk say, well, madam, we will look into it. And we will see what we can do.
Uche on the line, good evening.
You understand? I'm not
Uche, good evening. Uche.
Yes, I can hear you.
Good evening, my brother. How are you today?
Yeah, no, that's good. Oh,
I beg if now you for this matter, what do you go do?
Okay, TV
Your TV they too loud.
You know, say this in live and dead.
Okay.
This is to say, if I die for that place,
yes,
my wife will continue with her life. Say, you know.
Abio.
So what thing I go talk to say, as we say now, make two of us, make him do what he go do. We be say, I go dey free.
Okay, make him wipe the man.
If you not do, I can't die there. Life will continue now.
Abi.
So, and if you do, I will come out. Okay. I'm not going to let anybody know say that it's what you do.
Now let's go for now.
Tomorrow, when they quarrel, you know, go use and they slap in face. You know, go they use and they remind them, say.
No, because it's what you do. They can help me. Because nothing like slapping face or even take us to a Japan. I don't even try to make you not even let anybody know say that what you do. Because if it's secret, don't reach 3 person.
Anyway, Uche, thank you very much.
You know say it's sweet now.
But not true. Not true you talk.
Tomorrow, if she fakes you, tomorrow you go see one fine sweet tomato just for road. You go say, sweet baby, come here.
Tomorrow they go feel the quarrel. The woman go do something. Shut up! Nonsense.
After all,
how will I even know it's only that man you slept with? From Lokoja, good evening.
Hello, Nedu.
Good evening, my brother. How you doing?
I am very fine.
Good. I beg for this matter, if now you wait till you go do.
Nedu, before I answer, I want to talk to me and my wife sit down.
Oh, now talk when I sit down.
Yes, now.
Madam, good evening, no.
Good evening, Nedu.
How is you?
I'm doing fine.
What a kiss. Oh, that's how you're not play.
Nedu, be very careful.
No, now that will walk. Now that will walk.
See, over wiping the. I go tell my wife to over wipe.
Okay, so your wife, wait. Good evening, as you know.
Hey, you don't come. I want to ask madam, you go green wipe.
I'm going to make her read some Twitter message. Victor, when I say if she love me, she could wipe for me to leave.
If she love me, she go wipe for me. Wipe for me, baby, wipe for me.
He say, but I know say he no could dey fair on my side, but if she love me, she could help me. He can't tell again, if na me, I go back and make she wipe my oka for me to free am from Yale. Because if I die for sale, she could wipe when I dey crave.
Anna, you're from Makoni. Good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing, my brother?
I'm fine.
I beg, if now you, what you go do for this matter?
If not me, if no be such a life is pleasing man, I go tell my wife making it wipe out. If my wife go wipe out, because they say it don't make sense.
I don't understand.
I tell you, Sheba,
yes.
If they freeze the way you go, no be life is imprisonment.
Yes.
My wife no go wipe the man now. I go the wife fast. You know good like that.
So you go rather day for inside the prison throughout.
Make a day. So far as I get picking, we go take over my name, no problem. You know, women deserve respect.
Oh yeah, no
thank you.
No Allah. Thank you, Anayo.
After say I know fit to men no go trust after them come out. If it even drive am, Katim no allow girl snatch my issue. Yeah. Hey, I know.
Good evening. Who on the line? Hello.
This is Evans.
Evans, good evening.
Good evening, Nedu.
Evans, Anna.
I did fine, though.
Okay, what do you get to talk about on this matter?
I beg, if not me, and I will let my wife make them wire around. Even make them fire around, because if I die for them, that woman, my best friend, I will fuck them.
Thank you. Bye. Hey. Bye, Evans. Bye.
I beg, tell me when I close my mouth. Ooh, Evans. And when my brother. Hey! I call it fans. They when them enter my.
Anyway, back on top Twitter, Oputa Kelechi said, Nedu, leave that thing. Me, I go allow my wife wipe. Every wiper around will go give me freedom.
You know, say this thing, it ain't easy to talk. I'm like, it ain't easy to talk.
Okay. It ain't easy to talk. Now, but easy bit, sorry, back to what you talk.
I say, because number one, as that thing they be, you can't call and say, you know what thing go happen now? Based on say make I come out, just consider this wiping thing. Me you go ahead, make you go wipe. So me I no go feel Call him. I don't feel look at face. They tell her, "Say, yeah, go wipe."
Hold on. I want to
if she decide by herself.
But take this call. Isaka, good evening.
Good evening.
You've been caught that time. So talk what's in your mind.
Are you with me?
Bam, we are here.
Okay, what I am trying to say here is this.
Yes.
It's very wrong for me to give go ahead to her to go and do it.
Is wrong or?
Hello?
Would they hear you? I don't hear you. What you talk again?
I say it's very wrong.
Okay, it's very wrong.
Go ahead to go and do something.
Okay.
So if she can do it on her own, let it be on her own.
But you know, use them judge them tomorrow for future.
But you're not going to use them judge them.
Very wrong.
All right, no problem. Thank you. From Makodi, good evening.
Now waiting easy. Talk.
From Makodi, good evening.
Oh.
Hello.
Hey. Now waiting easy talk. Say it could somehow.
You know,
yes.
open mouth.
No, me I not fit.
They do. You go even worse.
Me.
They do. Go even
that
worse.
I not fit.
They do. You go even worse. Say she can't go back. Go down on her own.
No.
I don't go even worse past it.
See, that one go worse. But no, if she love you, if be like that matter of that girl when you be say her husband not get work, person will show married not get work for years. She can't go wipe the other. When they will give her work, increase salary. If now you should be say you go see married again.
But so, the man don't know now. The man don't know.
This is easy.
The man don't know now. This one you'll be like say you go say okay, Oga. I won't wipe your head.
Annie from Calabar, good evening.
You understand? This one different.
Yeah, I agree.
Annie, how you doing?
I agree with Izzy.
I'm fine.
I beg, took mouth for this our matter.
Hello?
Would they hear you? For if now you beg, what you go do for this?
Good evening.
Give one hey,
I'm fine, thank you.
Your TV too loud, Annie.
Yes, so because you they say in marriage there's hello.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay.
They come me like say they call us from Australia or Vietnam.
Continue.
Okay, so it could be like saying that me call the advice and me can go do bad things. She understand?
You
know, it goes pass. Because okay, the woman will go run that kind of rule, even when you don't know. If by the time you can't come out, you go hate them now. Because you know as human being they take so kind connection go day. You go vex. So like according to what that other caller talk, I go there for where I did they pray. Make she did where she did they pray. And if I come out, we meet again, fine. But if I don't come out, fine. Because I don't go figure put on for that kind of mess. I don't mess up her life now.
Musti Coco for Twitter talk the same thing way he talk. He say I know fit tell her make she do am, but if she do am without me knowing, it is okay. And make she no ever tell me.
You don't understand.
Odion from Oshogbo, good evening.
Hello.
Our last caller for today. Odion one, good evening.
Hello, Nedu, good evening.
My brother, well done.
Good evening. Wow now.
How about this?
We did find nobody there inside cloth. I beg if now you what you go do for this matter?
Me, I want to ask Katim one question.
Okay.
If now you go do it.
Mbano. I know Fito. Me we dey pray the prayer they go.
Me I dey ask Katim if now you.
I don't answer you, my brother. I say I no go fit. Make a free day me dey sleep for inside church. Me will live like that. My brother, I can't shout though.
Honestly speaking, I'll tell my wife to me do am.
Okay, may your wife wipe the wipe.
Nah, so now. Your wife did there?
Huh?
Your wife, you don't marry?
Yes, I'm married. My wife did here.
Hey, give your wife the phone. Madam.
Hello?
Madam, good evening.
Good evening.
If now you go wipe the wipe for them.
I go do am because I love my
Madam, why you happy? They don't say you go do am.
I go do am. I know where.
Hey, if like me, I go do am. I love my guy.
So that couple.
So that he go come out. We continue our life.
So tomorrow, if he come use someday,
I know if he use against me. I know the man when I marry for house. I know the man when I marry for house. He cannot use it against me.
Madam, you're gonna walk where no one that you don't want make
him. I know the kind of person he be.
We know. You know the kind of person he be. I make you say you don't want make the guy go anywhere.
She be that me with her. I know go use her against me. My husband is too kind. I love him.
Sweetie.
He's blushing. Thank you. Yeah, good night. Thank you. Anyway, double toilet to all of them who don't call us for today on top of the night show. Sorry for those of them who don't fit take on a call, and those of them when they be say we don't fit on tweet messages. And then double toilet to those children when they be say follow call from BME Music.
Oputa Kelechi say Nedu abeg tell Easy bit my sister Ijoma love and well. It to say she never married, she for marriage you Easy. Victor say if she go close eye wipe for to free me from cell, I swear I could laugh and die. Now so now they talk. Not be everybody be like Isiaka and wife. Not be Isiaka the man be. Not be everybody be like Isiaka and wife.
Anyway, till tomorrow, una good night. Easy beat, over to you.
They don't go use that judgment and that lie.
I tell you.
That lie. Tomorrow.